Hello, hello. It's Booster Beast here to bring you yet another Yu-Gi-Oh! Booster Pack Opening Challenge. Now the challenge today is Cybernetic Horizon. This is a 3, 6, $15 challenge. A $15 challenge, guys. We're gonna try getting $15 worth of cards out of here. Or at least try to. For example, if we pull Boar's War Dragon, that'll be the end of the video because that's the top value card in the set. So let's see if we get that dragon. This is Cybernetic Horizon, $15 Walmart challenge. So I hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more epic content. And yeah, just like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to become a patron, link is in the description. And what do you guys think about the set? How do you guys like Cybernetic Horizon? I know it's about 2 years old, 2 or 3 years old. So hopefully we can get you guys liking it again. Tell me in the comments below what your favorite card is in the set. I'm just gonna pull all these out. Yes, these are all pre-cut so I can get into them faster. Because I've seen the past videos of me trying to pull cards out of packs. So, basically we got 5 packs here. One with the promo cards. I don't know if the promo cards that come in the special edition little box thing. Worth anything, but this is a $15 challenge, so tell me in the comments below if I actually got $15 worth of cards or if I didn't. Alright, that's how we're gonna do this. We'll put these over here, put these right here. Okay. These are 9 card packs, so not all of them are foil. Alright, let's see what we get. A Draco, Memory, Handler, Ace, Noble Knight, Pelennor, Sim, Og, Dragon, Squad. Alright. Nothing so far, nothing so far. And also if we get a Danger Jacket Pull, that'll be good. Or Danger Bigfoot. That would also be amazing. Okay, oh my goodness, we're like spazzing out over here. We got an Ace, Course, Moonslot, Celestial Observation, very nice looking card. Then we got a Guluki, the Giant Ogre, Devotee, yes. Okay. Let's scoot those up a little so I have a place to open. Okay. Oop, that's upside down. Okay, we get Guard. We need Dragon. Another Club. Yeah. Another one of those. Intro Reservoir. Very nice. We got 2 of the same. Rare or super rare, I don't know. We might rip on this video. We got the second last pack. Okay. We got Hamburglar, Ring Trainer, Brain, Adapter. Noble Knight Pelennor again. Crossbreed. Oof. Alright, last pack magic here. Believe in the heart of the cards. I wonder if we got duplicate rares and super rares. Should we say this is a loss right now? Is this a loss? Link, Vanguard, Ring Trainer, Crusadia, Revival, and Implication Kendall. Yeah, that's it for the video. I think that was a loss. I think we went negative. I think we didn't pull $15 worth of cards. But luck next time. Anyways, this video has been brought to you by your boy, Boost the Beast. Bye-bye. See you later in the next video. Peace.